Kynhun Myntri ke Sorkat jelah ke segi nengkong ke Mynjur ya ke Meghalaya Power Policy arjar posau man kemi penphai ke rukom tan ya ke boarding elektrik ke bane bat ha ke rukom ke balak ban pendap boarding ya ke jelah. Laong baka Power Policy ke barim kam shimla don ya ke pumped storage project ha ke ba ha ke ne ke policy bat Thymmai la ke thop lang. Na ke liang ke Kynhun Myntri ke larai ban penkelai ki rukom trikam ha ke baya day bat ke boarding ke bawan na ke sengi bat ki weg jing don kam. Habaya kren bat kilat pathai ko bor u Myntri ke tanat boarding u Abu Tahir Mandal u laong ba kila penslur ya ki bakwa ban snai ya ki power project bat Thymmai ke bala ban stang no. Na kaliang Myntri ula pentip baya borok ki power sector la ada pengentup lang ha kene ka power policy bat Thymmai.
Power policy. Today we have discussed about the new power policy in a very thorough manner, and cabinet has agreed the new power policy.
So, what are the components of new power policy? What are the
This
things?
component is same. Some new addition is there, as you were aware that our earlier power policy was not having anything called farm storage project. We have a little bit changed the criteria for solar energy as per the requirement of renewable power purchase obligation, and then we are also encouraging the investor to come to the state so that new power projects come. These are the basic things that we have added.
Any decision is taken with regard to those power projects which are not functioning well or anything?
As of now, no power project is not functioning well. All are functioning well.
Since very soon we will start with scientific coal mining, we are on the verge of starting it. So, anything with regard to thermal?
Yes, thermal power project. All the power sectors we have included into our new power policy.
So, when this thermal power projects?
That is a different thing, because it can come directly from the state government, from the central public sector units, from independent power producers. Power policy is basically a guidelines that how we will start the power policy.
If only one element was added, what is the need of a new policy? It should have been.
Actually, there was one allotment quite a long time back to NIPCO, 500 megawatt. But you must be aware that now NIPCO is a subsidiary company of NTPC, and they have decided that NIPCO will be now only dealing with green energy. So NIPCO itself has written us that they want to scrap this power policy. So accordingly, we have scrapped.
So, why new power policy? Why not amend the old power policy?
No change. See, new old power policy came in 2010, and this year it is 2024. 14 years has elapsed, and by the meantime there is big changes in the power scenario. So we needed new power policy.
But the NIPCO thing has been pending for long. It's not a new thing. 800 megawatt.
You mean to thermal?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was there, but they have written that they don't want to go ahead with the power project.
So what is power policy to do with the NIPCO? The state power policy.
We have nothing to do with power policy. Have nothing to do with NIPCO.
But they requested for new policy.
They have requested. I don't know.
Well,
Sir,
why
in,
this?
in order to not to mix up things, can you clearly elaborate on the new power policy, especially on a pumped storage project, because it sounds so confusing. Somebody is asking on some thermal. Can you just
No, we have given the scope for having pump storage project. Our earlier power policy was not having, because this is a new thing into the power industry. So how do we go about if we want to have our own pump storage project? So that's why we have brought it into the new power policy.
and how many pump storage projects we are going to have?
No, this is a policy matters.
This is a
After
policy,
that, after that only
In the pipeline, how
state utility will think that whether they can go ahead or not, or maybe central PSUs, they will think, or private party may come. As per this, then only we will see that whether it is feasible to give them or not. That is
How
it.
this is
So why
going
I'm
to help?
asking, because we have seen the government of India through the Ministry of Power has entrusted NTPC to undergo a study, feasible study
Actually,
to
I will.
have
I'll just deviate from there. We have entered into an agreement to see whether the feasibility is there. If feasibility is not there, then no point of having that provision into the power policy. Now we found that there are some basins where we can have the palm storage project. That's why we are bringing it into the power policy.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.